Hello, Muralidhar. We enjoyed the Gujarat. We enjoyed the Gujarat trip.
It was very
It
nice,
was very
well
nice.
arranged. Rooms were nice and all the places were very nice. We enjoyed each place. And today we are in
Nilkanta
Dam, which is very good. Sure.
And from day one, Bajana trip was very good. There we saw a lot of flamingos, pink flamingos, and it was beautiful. And wild ass were so beautiful. We had never imagined that they would be so nice. And then the next day we came to everything was very nice, Muralidhar. Really, the Padaki Travels group has arranged the event very well. We remember it forever. Thank you so much.
Hotels and food was very good everywhere. Hotels were very nice. All the senior citizens, we enjoyed it very nicely.
Thank you. Look forward to make another trip with you. Thank you.